Hi, my name is Tadeo Gonzalez. My teammate is Axel Castaneda, and we'll show to you photosynthesis, solar respiration, and formation processes. Photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis is the formation process of chemical energy in which plants and some bacteria use the sunlight energy to produce glucose, which is sugar, or which cellular respirations convert into ATP. We see a little example there. Then we have sunlight. Sunlight is a set of waves that come from the sun with different characteristics called spectrum. They emit radiation with different wavelengths. According to the sunlight, it is divided into ultraviolet rays, A, B, and C, visible range, and infrared range. Chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are in the leaves of the plants. The chloroplast is formed by two membranes separated by a narrow space, the external and the internal membranes. The photosynthetic reactions occur in the thylakoids, which in turn are organized as grana. All the structures are embedded in the stroma. Stages of photosynthesis. The photosynthesis process is divided in two stages, the light-dependent reactions and the independent light reactions. There we see some examples, and we see the Calvin cycle in there. We see the light-dependent reaction, which is not directly given by light. We will see more about the Calvin cycle a little bit below. So here we have the Calvin cycle. In this stage of photosynthesis, the energy accumulated in the first phase will be reduced CO2. The capture of carbon dioxide reaches the plants through the stomata. The series of reactions that happen for CO2 capture is known as the Calvin-Benson cycle or C3 cycle. In the presentation, we see a little example of this, and that's it.
Cellular respiration. The process of forming H2O while breathing is carried out through metabolism. Catabolism. The process responsible for breaking the different compounds is known as catabolic. Therefore, the phase in which they are carried out is known as catabolism. Anabolism is the process by which the body utilizes the energy released by catabolism to the synthesis complex molecules. Fermentation is another non-oxygen requiring process for breaking down glucose. Lactic fermentation is the human body the respiratory chain cannot occupy lactate, then anaerobic glycolysis would be carried out. Alcohol fermentation is a complex biochemical process during which yeasts convert sugars to ethanol, carbon dioxide, and other metabolic byproducts that contribute to the chemical composition and sensorial properties. Thank you for paying attention. We hope you enjoy it. Have a nice day.